Um, Hello guys. Let me introduce myself. My name is Thomas Dwi Astono. I would like to I would like to I would like to presentation about the journal. Here is the poster. The title is Understanding Stress Anxiety Among Students, a Demographic Perspective. Let's take a look at the introduction. Okay, students are accepted to have the 21st century foresee skills of creativity, collaboration, critical thinking, and communication, which should have developed from primary to higher education. However, delay in the application of their skill lead to problems such as literacy, time management, who can impact the stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety in college students is a common and complex case for influenced by various factors. This is a serious challenge that can impact mental well-being, physical health, and academic performance. Stress is a psychological state that arises from the interplay between person and their surrounding, resulting in the impression of interdependent between various demands. It is influenced by curriculums that originate with the biological, physiological, and social system of individual. And anxiety is a subjective feeling of tension where nervous and worry associated with nervous system arousal. In the types of anxiety in scope education included task anxiety, statistical anxiety, and so on. So the method in this research type of research is a quantitative approach using descriptive method, which is a research conduct to describe a phenomenon occur. Of this research is 27 students in a university in Indonesia, and in this study conduct a stress level and anxiety level based on characteristic of age, employment status, and residence, and then using this DAS 21 assess the stress and anxiety level. And then the result of the surrounding, the result research is the stress level of this research. The majority of students experience normal level of stress with a highest proportion 70.4% in 20 years old. 17 to 20 years old is the same in anxiety level. It's normal level. And then the discussion, the result of this study showed that the majority of students are at the normal stress level, which is lower than finding from study conducted in Philippines or Nepal, where students experience stress in the moderate category. In higher education, stress remains a significant factor affecting students due to multiple sources such as academic, financial problem, relationship, and family work-study imbalance. And accumulate stress from this course can lead to poor sleep and health outcomes, particularly when students fail to cope effectively. Difference in stress level may arise depending on regional and contextual factors, like a study among university students in Nigeria found most students experience moderate stress influenced not only by academic job and residence but also by alcohol addiction. Similarity, students in Iteria were found the experience moderate stress level due to psychological, social, and influenced by own emotion. And then students in higher education frequently face anxiety to increase stress, both internal and external factor. The transition from the school life to campus life demands self-resilience, monetary, along with additional skill and competence. Students who balance part-time jobs and study require good time management skill to maintain academic focus when academic performance declines due to poor time management. Students many experience that their conclude the anxiety and stress level. And then the conclusion, longitudinal research recommended to majority student mental and implementation what they collaborative action involving relaxation technique, comparing strategy, and provision of rescue to create a supportive academic environment are also recommended to the author also recommended to the future research influencing the stress level in gap deeper. So some tertiary students frequently face difficult in academic management, causing mental health disorder like stress, anxiety, and even depression. The different environment and the cultures from the previous school assignment workload, like a friendship and family background, are some factors influencing the psychological condition the student. So this research aims to describe the level of stress and anxiety experienced by students. The current study applied a descriptive quantitative with a non-probability sampling procedure and a structured sampling technique on 27 students as respondents. The depression anxiety stress scale 21, aka DSS 21, was used to measure the stress and anxiety level with the respect of age, job, and residence. The study for the stress and anxiety level of the current study belong at the normal level. I think that's all for me. Thank you guys.